In this video, we're going to approximate the limit numerically by completing the table and then approximating from each side. So this is a calculator problem. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get out my calculator. I'm going to get this function, probably I'm going to put it in the graph so that I can calculate these things faster. So I'm going to go to my scratch pad and I'm going to go to my graph and I'm going to hit a control divide so that I can get this in. It was x, I believe it was minus 3. Minus 3 over x squared minus 9. I'm just going to double check that really quick. Yes, okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. So there's my graph. I really don't care so much about the picture. I just want to come over here. So now I am going to start putting in these function values. So 2.9, 2.99, 2.99999. So let's do that. So I'm going to go to var f1 of 2.9. This is why I put it into the graph, because I can use this feature. And I can go var f1 2.99. I could also just highlight this and hit control C and then control V, just like copy and paste on your computer, and then just add another 9 if you want to do that. So I have 1.69, 1.66, 1.66. So let's write that in. So it was point. Was it point or yeah, 0.169, 0.166, 0.166. So as I am approaching the 3 from the left side, it definitely looks like I'm going to 0.166. Now let's try the other value. So I'm going to start with 3.1 next. So I'm going to do the same thing. I can copy and paste, or I can just hit var f1 of 3.1, var f1 3.01, and then var f1 3.001. So I've got 1.63, 1.66, 1.66. Again, I'm not rounding them because I'm allowed to truncate. So it was 1.63. So 0.163, 0.166, 0.166. So as my x values are approaching 3 from the right side, my y values are approaching 0.166. Since my right and my left hand limits match, my overall limit is 0.166.